What's up everybody, Mr. Bald back at it with a special item that we have for the summer. It's this bad boy right here. I didn't think I'd ever get this, but I was like, you know what? We just put up the, if you seen my last video, we just put up the gazebo with the patio furniture. I've been chilling out there, and I plan on hanging out there in the summer too. I'm in Texas, so it gets really hot, 100 degrees, very humid. And I was like, you know what? My other Ryobi fan is just a fan, is not gonna cut it. I want a mister. I want to hang out and watch the kids swim in the small baby pool and chill, sip a margarita as I have the Six Flags Mister fan on me. Anyway, that's what I picture anyway, is that those fans at Six Flags that mist on you, and those are the best when you're standing in the heat. So I decided to fork up the money and pick one up. I didn't even know, I was willing to pay the $89 for the fan, but I didn't even know it actually came with a battery and a charger. I don't care about the charger. I don't even use the original one that came with it. I have the 6 charger port, but yeah, the battery for sure I'm definitely gonna keep. So without further ado, let's open this bad boy up and see what we have. Sorry about the kids in the background if you can hear them. They're in the living room. Daughter is acting crazy right now because we have company, so she's excited. So there's that. So yeah, let's open this bad boy up, see what we got. All right. So obviously this is going to be the battery. Yep, that's the battery. Nothing special. Here is the Mister fan. Oh, it's on there. There it is, pretty cool. You got your books, pluck it and file it. All that good stuff. So yeah, let's set it down. So what I plan on doing with this, you can hook it up to a hose, but I don't plan on doing that. I plan on putting this on the 5-gallon bucket that I picked up from Home Depot and going that route. So here's the misters right here. Got your misters and you got your different settings, your fan, the pump. So let's see what we have here. So yeah, just set that in a 5-gallon bucket and go. You can either screw it on the hose like I mentioned, or you can dip this in your bucket and just let it sit in there. So that's awesome. And obviously this is the battery port. Let's see. You know, I did not know it was only battery operated, but oh well, that's all I'm going to use anyway. And I have, what, now 7 batteries. So we are good to go on that. So there's the battery port. Again, here's the pump. You have a low speed, you have a high speed. Same with the fan, you have a low speed, high speed. The buttons are covered with plastic so you don't short them out. And here's the misters here. So if you want to just use the fan, you can. That's great. You don't always have to run the water. But whenever you want to, you can blow it and go from there. So I'm actually going to test this. So I'm actually going to put some water in the bucket and turn it on and show you how this works outside. So that'll be the next clip. But yeah, let's go ahead and open the battery. You can fast forward. If you don't want to see this part, I might skip ahead myself. So yeah, there's the charger. A little bitty charger. That's pretty cool, you know. If you just want to charge a battery real quick, I'll probably just throw that like in the truck. It's just a little quick charger. So I think I will keep this one. In fact, you can snap it on the end. That's pretty cool. Don't have that, especially if we go somewhere. You know, when I have my flashlight, you know, just keep this one on me, this small one. I don't have to carry a huge one. I'm glad I got this. The one with the battery versus the one that doesn't come with one. I haven't had one of these batteries in a while. You know, I have the off-brand usually, but I'll go ahead and throw this one on right now. Hopefully it has a little bit of juice, and we'll test it out. All right, we're outside. Just put a little bit of water in the 5-gallon bucket. All you do is literally place this on there. You don't have to snap it. You just do it like that, and you're good to go. Got it for the gazebo. It was raining, so I pulled it down. I'll put it back up later. Anyway, here we go. So there's the fan. It's high, just like the other one, the regular fan. All right, let's get the mist going. There goes the water. Oh yeah, look at that. So the mist is all the way out here. There it is, all the way out here for the mist. That's on low. That's going to be great in the summer. It's windy right now, so it's all over the place, but that is huge. You having fun there?
Yes.
There it is, see? With the mister is working perfect. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.